Dear students, ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ states of matter ਦੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ state solids ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਰ properties ਦੇ ਆਧਾਰ ਤੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਨਾ ਹੈ। ਪਹਿਲੀ property ਹੈ shape or volume, means does the solids have fixed shape or not? Answer is yes. Like this is a solid, it is of cuboidal shape and it has fixed shape. This is a cube, it also has fixed shape. This is ball which is spherical, it also has a fixed shape. And this is a stone which is of irregular shape but it is fixed. Next property, does these solids has fixed volume? Answer is yes. The volume of this cuboidal can be calculated by measuring its length, measuring its breadth and measuring its height. We can multiply length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. You can calculate the volume of this cuboidal which is fixed. We can also calculate the volume of this cube by the formula A cube if one side of this cube is equal to A. We can calculate the volume of this ball which is spherical by the formula 4 by 3 pi r the cube, as the radius of this ball is small r. Now the question is, how can we calculate the volume of this irregular shaped stone? Yeah, we can calculate it by Archimedes principle. If I put this stone into this beaker with water, water gets displaced. जिन्ना पानी अपनी जगह तो डिस्प्लेस होया, वो वॉल्यूम इस पत्थर दा होवेगा. That is the Archimedes principle. So ਅਸੀਂ इस irregular shape stone ਦਾ वॉल्यूम by Archimedes principle calculate कर सकते हैं. Second property is compressibility. Can we compress these solids? Answer is no. I am trying to compress this box. I am trying to press this cube. No response. All are incompressible. Dear students, ਹੁਣੇ ਅਸੀਂ solids ਦੀ property डिस्कस की, उस विच किया गया कि solids are not compressible. But you see, this is a solid, it is a sponge. It can be compressed. So it is a exception. Why it is compressed? It has holes in it. In those holes there is air. So we are compressing the air, not the solid. So we can say that sponges are solids, but these are exceptions and these can be compressed. Compressible. Now the third property is, does the solids flow? Answer is no. Solids can't flow. They are rigid. Fourth property is, does the solid fill the container completely? If I put this cuboidal box in a big container, it occupies the same space it has. It occupies the same volume it has. It doesn't fill the whole container. Like if I put this ball in this beaker, it doesn't cover whole of the beaker. Similar is the case with stone. It does not fill the beaker completely. There is a space around it that is occupied by air. So solids doesn't fill the container completely. So we summarize it. Solids have fixed shape. Solids have fixed volume. Solids cannot be compressed. Solids are rigid, they cannot flow. And solids doesn't fill the container completely.